Now, coming to the next stage of the inaugural session, I would like to call upon Yugal Kishore Sharma, CEO, One OTT Entertainment Limited, for his keynote. Yugal Kishore Sharma, or we call him as YKS, is a telecom industry stalwart with 26 years of rich experience in starting and setting up businesses from scratch across high technology, consumer and enterprise products, telecom services in retail and enterprise, and into sportainment, developing sports at the root grassroots. Entertainment Limited, India's top 5 privately held companies into telecom data services. And in Entertainment India Limited is into production, distribution, and financing of movies and serials, entertainment, and teleshopping channels business.
A very good morning to everybody attending this session. I'm sure by now most of you would have heard and seen where India is positioned and where our glorious country is moving towards. My theme is about the contribution of our organization and about the telecom industry, wherein we are poised to see a big revolution in our lives. And this I say especially because life after Corona and life after the pandemic getting over, slowly getting normalized, has taught us a lot in the last over close to a year and a half. So I would begin with the digital inclusion of India, which the country is moving and progressing very fast. And this is a small video clip, talks about a story of a child, a runaway child, and I'm sure all of you would love to hear and go through this small story of Jamil, which will open our eyes and will show us what the future awaits us in case the digital inclusion of India happens across the country. And my theme is mostly we need to connect Bharat, which is 2/3 of the country still is unconnected. And we need to connect the unconnected Bharat with a high-speed internet, fiber internet, so much to say speeds up to 100 Mbps or more, so that the real digital inclusion happens as you would see in this film. So I'm sure you would be eagerly waiting to look at this small video clip. So here it goes.
मैं भाग के आया था बिहार से मुंबई। उम्र 12-13 साल थी। बचपन में फिल्म वगैरह बहुत देखा करता था। माधुरी दीक्षित, आमिर खान, शाहरुख खान, मिथुन दा को डांस करते देखता था तो मिलने का मन करता था। लैटिन बॉलरूम डांस के लिए स्पेशल जूता होता है, बहुत महंगा होता है। पैसे तो नहीं थे। संदीप सर ने कहा खुद बना लेंगे। 14 बार ट्राई किया, वीडियो वगैरह देखता था, ये तो विदेशी स्टाइल का जूता है ना। फिर फाइनली बन गया। जब मैंने काम का शुरुआत किया था ना, मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मेरा क्या होगा। अपना वेबसाइट भी बनाया। फेसबुक पे मैं लोगों को फोटोज भेजता था, लोग मुझे ऑर्डर करते थे। वो सारी चीजें मुझे फेसबुक के द्वारा मिली है। जो लोगों को नहीं पता वो लोग बोलते यार धारावी में तो बहुत सारे जूते बनाने वाले हैं, लेकिन तुम्हारा ही पेपर में क्यों आता है? तो मैं उनको बताता हूँ कि ये जो डांस के शूज है, आप इसको रोल कर सकते हैं। ये प्रॉपर डांस के लिए बनाया जाता है। धारावी में तो कितने हॉटस्पॉट है, 1000 से भी ज्यादा। 1 गीगा फाइबर एंड फेसबुक वालों का ही है 1 एक्सप्रेस वाईफाई। अभी तो बहुत लोग आते हैं, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, ऋतिक रोशन, काजोल, सोनाली बेंद्री मैम। मैंने आमिर सर के लिए भी शूज बनाया है। जिंदगी में हार नहीं मानने का है, लगे रहने का है। कोशिश करने से तो खुदा भी मिल जाता है।
जमील जैसे कई लोगों के जज्बे और हौसले को इंटरनेट ने एक नई पहचान दिलाई है। जज्बा, हौसला और इंटरनेट। 1 Giga Fiber Express Wi-Fi by Facebook.
भारत के जज्बे और हौसले को जोड़ने के लिए इंटरनेट ही एक साधन है, which is going to bring the real digital inclusion of India. So हिंदुस्तान के, भारत के हजारों लाखों जमीलों की ये कहानी है। मेरे ख्याल से there's enough talent in our country. Only one thing that awaits such stories to come forward is the real digital inclusion of the country, which will definitely bring in the social inclusion, and I'm sure the whole industry, the telecom industry, is moving towards that, and together we are going to create a high-speed, robust internet connectivity to the each and every close to 6.5 lakh villages of our proud nation. Almost 7 lakh, close to 70,000 villages are connected, but this needs to go much more beyond. And that's where the real inclusion is moving towards. And as we know, India had several challenges in the past. Last almost 3 decades, we have solved the voice problem of the country. We have solved the mobile internet challenge. Today, we have mobile internet almost all pervasive, with massive 4G proliferation, and of course 5G will even make it better, and a lot of inclusion in terms of a lot of applications. A lot of such stories will be created, and the real story that the country awaits is to have fiber internet in every village. And that's where there are several government initiatives that we are working on. Government has a very ambitious program being launched, the BharatNet program, which I'm sure is an ambition of the government to connect every village in the next over 1,000 days by 2024, to have a deeper fiber penetration. As we all saw when we grew up almost 3.5, 4 decades back, the way the road transportation, the surface transportation was evolving, the way the country was getting electrified. Similarly, today, we are sitting at a threshold wherein the whole country will also be seeing the evolution of a super information highway. And that highway will be riding on the high-speed optic fiber cable. And that's where the social inclusion through the digital inclusion of our country is going to happen. And I'm happy to say that at Hinduja Media Group, we have been at the forefront of connecting India, and we look forward to connect the unconnected in the Bharat of our country, which is almost 2/3 of our country, which is unconnected on such higher speed internet, fixed line broadband. And with that, I also would like to leave everyone with a theme that internet for every citizen in the village today, simply put, is the sole reason for their lives to transform. And people believe that Shamta or Kaushal ko aage internet hi बढ़ा सकता है. We have seen from various applications, we have seen from various services being rolled out, and much more several e-services to be rolled out in e-agriculture. We have seen post-pandemic how education, health, and other applications have reached to the various common man of the country. Of course, in whatever way possible, it did touch upon a huge section of the society in our country, but this needs to go all pervasive. This needs to go across the length and breadth of the country to each and every village out there. And this would be possible in the true sense wherein all such e-services would touch the common man. And this is how the whole country will look up to internet. And it's our slogan at Hinduja Broadband, क्योंकि internet ही आगे बढ़ाएगा. Our aspirations of people and their lives getting transformed, a high-speed internet awaits them to create more and more Jamils, as we saw a lad from Dharavi in Mumbai. Dharavi is a project which we have completely connected, and it's like a seamless high-speed internet connectivity there. So with that, I would like to thank everybody, and I look forward to everyone taking up this challenge of connecting the unconnected India, which we so called as Bharat, which resides in almost 640,000 villages of our country. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sharma, for those words.